Today we talk about how can you update profile on web on your Glassdoor app. So all you have to do, you just you click here on profile down here. Then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on update profile on web here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you on your Google here. So just switch into open video when it's going to open video here, so add your account, so then it's going to update your profile on your Glassdoor app. So that's all you have to do. So just switch into open video here, we will go back to app. So when I'm going back to my Glassdoor app here, so you click here on Glassdoor, then you just click on update profile on web, then it's going to take you to open with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.